Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email me, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase pricing and availability questions concerning this watch. Launched in 2007, this is the Rolex Oyster Perpetual Milgauss 116400GV-0001. It features the famed green crystal, and that's not all. A matte black dial, differentially colored indices, and the distinctive orange lightning bolt seconds hand. This was the most recent generation of the Milgauss, which was made from 2007 to 2023. And while we wait for the forthcoming of this model line, this is as good as it gets if you want a Rolex engineer style timepiece. So Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watch, 40 millimeters in diameter. I measure it in 904L steel. 13.2 millimeters thick, and if you measure it lug to lug, it's 49 millimeters. If you add the end links to the bracelet, you can see they're relatively flush with the lug horns. It's only 49.5 millimeters across the wrist, so one extra half millimeter with the end links. There's a 20 millimeter spacing between the lugs. You can see it has polished center links, polished outer faces to those links. We've got removable links, which are fixed in place using screws. And then we have a lift lock system where you dig your nail underneath. Easier to do when you're not wearing gloves. That's why I normally don't wear them. But we have this lift lock system with a little retaining bar and then that hook that grabs it. Those two things snap together, so you have to lift this to unlock it. Inside the clasp, you can see we've got the 5 millimeter snap in, snap out, easy link system that Rolex uses to allow you to make on-the-fly changes to your fit, just like that, or like this. And that's 5 millimeters. Now taking a closer look at the inside of the clasp, you can see that there are several pairs of divots in the clasp, 3 of them. So you can dismount the spring bar and change the anchoring point. That's the third way you can size this. 904L steel, what is it? Well, it's a type of steel that is high nickel content. Rolex now calls it Oyster steel. So if you do expose it to sweat or sea salt or even certain kinds of acids, it will not corrode. 316L stainless, though it is stainless, still needs to be rinsed under those circumstances. This does not. Twin lock crown and steel screwed in, as well as a model-specific screwed-in Oyster case back, 100 meters water-resistant. By the way, very few Rolex watches get model-specific case backs. You can see this is a little bit of a thicker watch because the caliber 3131 on the inside, in addition to having many inherent anti-magnetic properties, also has a soft iron cage around the movement whose purpose is to grab magnetic field lines, not to repel them, but on the contrary, to grab them and channel them through the soft iron cage and around the hairspring. And so that's the purpose of having a paramagnetic shield to protect the hairspring. More on that in a moment. You can see externally the watch is mostly high polish. We have a conforming end link for the Oyster bracelet. We've got the glace vert. And what's interesting about these is that these are among the few Rolex watches that do not have the laser etched crown, because were it there, you would see it full time due to the tint. You can see how the tint exaggerates as you move into a profile, and looking at the watch from any angle except dead ahead, you would see that little laser etched crown. Now we have the glace vert, the sapphire crystal with a tint of green. Then we have white gold hands, Rolex crown, and individual indices. And what's fascinating here is that because of the different colorations of the indices, we also have different varieties of luminova and different levels of brightness. The timepiece is very balanced, easy to read, and instrument style, and of course, that lightning bolt seconds hand is true to history. Back in 1956, when the first 2 Milgauss references debuted, that lightning bolt second hand was actually part of the design. So while this might seem a little bit postmodern, only the use of orange varnish actually is, as that hand is an original feature of the 1950s models. Pull the crown out, you activate hacking seconds. Now you can set the watch to a reference time. Bidirectional automatic winding, 4 Hz beat rate, 31 joules, 48-hour power reserve, hacking seconds. The movement is a Swiss certified COSC chronometer, and it has a full balance bridge and a free sprung balance for shock resistance. The free sprung balance also allowing for very precise adjustment. The overcoil hairspring profile allows the mass of the hairspring to be very centered, so in any physical position, this watch will keep very consistent time. Now, the hairspring is made of blue oxidized niobium zirconium, which by itself makes this watch incredibly magnetically resistant, and probably more than Milgauss or 1000 Gauss with the hairspring alone. Now, we also have a nickel phosphorus anti-magnetic escapement that allows the watch to be more resilient still. And then finally, the soft iron cage. So while Milgauss might have accurately described the engineering and technician watch developed by Rolex in the 50s, today it is probably thousands of Gauss due to that unique hairspring. Because remember, IWC's 500,000 ampere per meter Ingenieur also used niobium zirconium hairsprings. Rolex simply mastered the use of them in volume. So there is a lot to love here. Shock resistant, anti-magnetic, water resistant, discontinued, and very distinctive. If you want a Rolex that stands out, this is definitely the one. Reach out to Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase and pricing details. Rolex Certified Pre-Owned watches are backed and authenticated by Rolex. Should any reconditioning be necessary, it will be to a Rolex Certified standard, and any parts invested Rolex Factory Original. Should the initial retail box, paper, and accessory set still accompany the watch, it will be included with the sale. But no matter what, a Certified Pre-Owned box and paper set starts with an outer box, a leatherette travel pouch with suede lining, a warranty card that embodies the 2-year globally valid Rolex-backed warranty. Note this is not a retail warranty, but backed by Rolex and actionable at any of its authorized points of sales and service. A leatherette wallet includes the warranty terms and conditions manual. A holographic hang tag marks this as a certified pre-owned Rolex watch, and a manual details Rolex's values as a company. The certified pre-owned program, care, feeding, service, and use of your Rolex, locations of points of sales and service, and details of Rolex.com. Rolex certified pre-owned watches are backed only by Rolex.